welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Joystick Man Epic 2. It's kind of like a Joystick Man, as I just said. So let's get forward into it. Here we go. Let's see. Let's go with... Right now, I don't know what to go with though. Let's see. Maybe just do a normal stickman. Gonna be so tall now. No. Okay. So, let's draw a stickman. But where's the skin color? I think this skin color, kind of like a moo. I mean a cow color, not a moo color. Draw that. No. Get it in fully. Wait, there we go. There. No. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's draw some eyes first. Go. Face is terrible. Clear his face away. No, B. Go. Let's draw some arms like holy. Oh my gosh. He's looking a little bit terrible. Not gonna lie. Let's draw some bands. With this light blue. What kind of shoes should he have though? Go back to black. Make a little line in the middle. Boop. That. Then go over to this. Oop. Go over to this. No. Boop. Let's see. Very. No. Dang it. I guess he will have to be barefoot. Hello? Oh, hello. I think I need a name. Okay. Name is Stickman. I'll name him John. John. My name is John. Nice to meet you. It's kind of lonely here. I have an idea. I'll draw a friend. You can touch the screen to make me walk. Okay. Okay, be right back. You do something real quick? Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's play. Mama, draw a friend. Okay. Let's see. What should I draw? Whoa. That scared me, the camera. There we go. The camera's back to normal. Okay. Let's see. Does this count as a friend? like a happy little smile. Boop, boop. Yeah. Name your friend. I want to call him the Sun in capital. The Sun. Where's you? Sun. There we go. The Sun. Hi, I'm Explorer, I think he said. Oh no. What's happening? The sun? Oh no. Let's go. Go, 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 go. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, no. Come back here. No, no. No, my friend. No. Wait, do I walk on? Oh, okay. I thought something else was gonna happen. Oh, Joystick Man Epic 2. Oh, what is gonna happen? The quest to stop the sun. I thought you were gonna be my friend. Okay, continue. Loading the sticky station. Okay, let's do this. Whoa, I'm just a exercise. 1, 2. Those were pull-ups. Push-ups, I mean. I need a tree. What is this? You have found your first pencil. You can use the leaf pencil to bring dead trees back to life. Oh, the holy God brought a pencil so we can draw back trees to life. Okay. Let's see if this is true. What? Clouds just appeared. That's weird. Wait, the goo was like bugs. It's weird. This music is intense. Furball, come. I need you, Furball. Is that Furball anyways? Wait, is that the page? Or what is that? What is that down there? What is that thing? What is that? What is that thing? I need to find out what that thing is. Sorry, the camera just fell down. Okay. What is that thing down there? I need to show you guys. You see that thing? What is that right there? What is that? What was that? No, back. I need to tell you what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay. Okay. We really need pickaxe to get through this. Ah! No, I'm dead. Rest in peace, John. Rest in peace. Oh, little. Da by just choosing trees. Oh. Okay, let's see. We need to find a pickaxe pencil. What's happening? Oh, there's a key. There's a key. Sun? Mr. Sun, where did you go? Where did you go, Mr. Sun? Mr. Sun, did you see that, guys? If you didn't see that, go backwards in the video, and you better see that Mr. Sun was right up here. For real, he was. Hello? You put the key, scared all the birds away, destroy your houses, eat your crops, throw swords in the water, lasered. Who talks like that? Who talks like that? Ow, 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 ow. I will draw trees to destroy you. Trees everywhere. Trees will kill everybody. Die, 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 die. Thanks. Ooh, we're gonna finish the first chapter. What? I don't even know what that means. Checkpoint! Over there. Over here. They're trapped down there. They're trapped down there. Wait, will the tree grow into a bigger tree? I hope so. That would be amazing. Go. Please. Yeah. Oh. So beautiful. No, you thanks. I'm gonna get back here. Just in case another monster pops up. Ow. That actually scared me. Dang, I melted. Sorry, the camera a little bit moved. Let's draw trees because he's affected by trees. What are you gonna say, ma'am? Watch out. Is there anything else? Watch out, that's it. What is that in your hand? Is that like... Dun, 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 dun. No. Got the heart. No, how did I die? Well, guys, that is it for the video. See you next time. Good.